Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Khanna Tuning. So I'm back with this new episode of Sunday's Learning, and it is on Pledge for Financial Freedom. And on this eve of Independence Day, we must all pledge for the financial freedom and get financially free. And I'm referring to one of the articles on the money control for the financial freedom, and it is referring to that the individual who invested started investing early and get financially free at 48 to 50 at his desired level of retirement age, and then he or she can pursue his time in traveling or pursuing hobbies, whatever he or she wish to. And there are various asset classes in which you can invest at early age, like ETF, equity, PPF, NPS. You can plan accordingly at your desired retirement age, or whatever you are wishing to, what are you looking for this money so that you can get financially free. So this is, so what are the steps for the financial freedom? So I am going to discuss on that. So the first step is start early. You must all start early, and based on your expected returns you must start investing early so that you can avoid taking more risk and bets in the early later part of your life. And the more you start early, the longer the time will be, the return will be more fruitful. So you must be disciplined and start invested at early age so that you can get returns at the later part of your life. So the second is emergency fund. There are unexpected events in your life, such as job loss, medical emergency, and the COVID like situation. So you must all have emergency funds for that situation so that you can immediately get those funds for that situation. And the third is the most and first foremost step for the financial independence is having a financial goal. You must all have financial goals. For what purpose you need this money? For your higher education, retirement, marriage, whatever, buying a house. So you must set a financial goal that you need this money or something for this purpose, so that you can invest accordingly and plan accordingly and get that financial freedom at that age. So the fourth is avoid debt trap. You must all avoid debt trap and pay your debt, and make sure you can pay as soon as possible so that you can get financially free. And rather than buying the luxury things, you must pay all your debts first and then get yourself free from that debt trap and financially get free from that also. And the last is seek further advice for the financial planner. So this is very important. You must all take advice from the financial planning, so, and also get away from the false recommendation and investing in wrong asset classes which are not based on your risk profile. So you must all take advice from a financial planner so that he can invest according to your age, your what is your risk capability, what is your income. According to that they can plan your profile, and so that you can get financially free at the age whichever you want to. So that's it from my side. So keep trading and keep investing with Khanna Tuning.